In front of me is REALME GT3, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Google. Then choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Choose Google Password Manager and tap on the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!